So the price went to our support level at around the 0.42 cent, exactly as we predicted. In this video we did pre-marketed May 5th. Hopefully you saw this video, so you at least took your a bit of profit and bought back at this level, because that's why we saw this hold up in the price here around the exactly 42 we closed yesterday. So what's this mean? We're gonna explain what's happening by today, by the next week, everything. But before we go on the video, as always, Trading Jesus tell you guys to be patient and hunt for exact price value. Check my Patreon if you want a pre-market update, analysis for your favorite stock, and much more. Even Discord channel to discuss about the right price value even after the market close, so you be prepared for the next day. So without further ado, let's get right to it and explain what happens to the CTRM. So as we predicted exactly, guys, I told you here, look with me, and this video that we did here yesterday at and I told you, look with me, we actually did even the drawing. The moment I told you we have a closing candle below our support here, most certainly we're gonna see the price gravitate to our support around the 42 and do double bottom, and that's what happened. Look precisely here where we draw the drawing here. So this is how the market and money react. It never forget. The market never forget the prices. We might forget, but the market and the money never forget. That's why we saw a test for our support, but from the downside, that's a way of the market maker to test if there's a buyer and in this moment or not, before they know the price will be going to 42, so they sell off before the price will go even lower, so to take a bit of profit. So that the things I want to explain right now is we dipped a bit around the 41. We saw the 41, so this is not good because we did a lower low right now. This is the lowest in this year, the lowest price for CTRM, and I think the price been gravitating around the 38, as I told you before in the video before, like even last month I told you the price will gravitate around the 38. That's where the price should go, as our analysis for the chart suggests. The moment we got rejected here, the big rejection, guys, this is usually the insider do like black funnel, something is called they sell, but it's not showing in the volume. As we can see, the volume been going up, then dropped after we saw the price went down. So this is crazy, because sometimes you can't rely on the volume because it's a bit slow to show up. So what we rely on our prices, our technical analysis, which show us a bit of sign. That's why I never rely on one sign. Always have more sign, because the selling pressure happen like in a one go, and usually this is the one thing of the insider have a big problem on. Whenever you have, just think about it, not you and me, but usually when the insider market maker have a lot of money and want to sell at the right price, usually they don't sell at the same time. They just sell in chunks, so they never drive the price against them. Just think about it. If you have, let's say the volume for usually for Maritime is 76 million, and you have at least 30 million, and you want to sell it at the perfect price at let's say at the 57, like what happened here. When you want to sell the 30 million, you have a lot you make a lot of supply, and this is will drive the demand lower because there's a lot of supply, and that's why the price will go against them if they sell everything in one go. But here, that's what happened. The prices actually went down, but doesn't went down really fast. If they actually sell everything, the price will go even lower just in one day to 38. But what they do, they just sell a bit, then they take the pressure a bit by some called the black funneling, is like chunking the selling pressure in chunks, so nobody can see the selling pressure happening in one go, but just in chunks. That's why we see a bit of buying pressure, then selling, buying pressure, and selling. So they just drive the price lower and lower, so they get gain on their money. So this is why we see the price went down even here and even 41. And this is the 41 is just testable price, guys, because if by today there's a chance, as I told you, there's a chance if by today we're gonna see the surge in the price again going up, and this time there is a test again for the 45, but again we're gonna see a rejection if the price went down. As we can see, the pre-market just went in, and we see the jump in the price even before we do the video. I told you guys we're gonna see a bit of buying pressure and the volume to pick up, and a test for the 45 again. And this time, if we got rejected again, the price will go food definitely for the 38. Just be careful from that. If we got rejected here by today, next week, or even today, we're gonna see the price go to below the 40. So be careful, be careful, be careful from that. This is always happen when we go down. So this is one of the things we have to careful about. When you see the price up, it's not mean it's going up. It means the insiders actually drive the price up a bit to sell a bit to take a profit, and this is the way how they do it. So wait for confirmation, wait until a closing candle to have above our support here to tell you that the price might go for correction and going up again. But again, the volume is still dropping down, as we can see in a big picture here. As we can see, the volume is dropped below the zero technically right now. Even with this pre-market right now, we can see 1% up. This is not okay, it's not that good, but we're gonna see a prediction for the price to test around the 0.45 before we see a massive test for this level at 45. We have to break it above by today if we want to see higher highs. If we don't and we got rejected, or even don't want, we didn't even see the 45, this is a big massive sign of weakness. If we never even test the 0.45, we're gonna see the 38 by the next week or by today. So be careful. I will update you about the other prices when we go to them. So I will update daily, so don't worry. But by today, we're gonna see the test for this level or this level. So if we got here and we don't break, we're gonna go to this level at the 38. If we broke, this is good, but we need to confirm above our support here, the 45, and bounce from our exponential average. And the volume we needed to go above the zero in order to tell you we might test again the 0.58, and we have a go for it. And if we have the volume will go above the zero and then positive, this time we're gonna go over the 0.58 and explode. This is only if we have the volume with us. So guys, as I show you before in the last videos, I told you a warning sign because the volume is still dropping and we have this massive jump. So this is a clue, tell you watch out. Always have a strategy, always be careful, never FOMO, because I see a lot of you in the comment section, some people bought at the 50 cent, 55 cent when the price went up, then they think the price will go to $1. Never buy when the price go up. Yes, buy when you have a confirmation for a reversal trend in volume supported and everything, not just buying for the hype. This is not good. If you're long investors, this is different story. You can just hold or buy in the technical area that we would talk about. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video, I will promise you guys daily video for me here at my channel with me Trading Jesus. Always promise you daily video. So stay tuned, hit the notification, and see you guys in the next video.